Now, your eyewitness weather forecast.
And a happy Friday evening to everybody. I'm meteorologist Jordan Reed, tracking rain, snow, and wind to start the weekend. I'll have more on that coming up in just a second. Our Utica Public Library camera shows clouds on the increase in downtown Utica. We're right at freezing, 32 degrees. Not feeling like it, though, with the wind out of the east at 10 miles an hour. It feels like 24. And that temperature will actually come up as we go through the overnight hours. I'll have more on that in just a second as well. But as far as the current radar is concerned, at least over the land, it is dry. But as you go up toward the north and west over portions of Lake Ontario into the province of Ontario itself, we are starting to see a little bit of lake effect snow there. But I don't expect much snow at least during the first part of the evening hours. That'll change as we head through the overnight and especially through tomorrow. Right now, we do just have a lot of clouds, as I mentioned, in advance of that next storm system. And again, for the time being, most of the precipitation is up toward our north. So as I mentioned a moment ago, temperatures are going to be on the rise as we head through the overnight hours, starting off in the mid-30s at around 10 p.m. And then we could get up into the lower 40s, if not a little bit more than that, as we head to between 2 and 4 a.m. That's because overnight tonight, we'll see the winds out of the south and southwest. At least during the first part of the day tomorrow, that'll be the case as well. But there could be gusts 35 to 45 miles an hour at times, especially during the afternoon when the wind switches over to the north and northwest and it drags some colder air with it. So again, it's mainly rain here in the Mohawk Valley, points to the south because temperatures will be far too warm. But where you have temperatures in the upper 20s and low 30s up through the North Country and into the Adirondacks, that's where we expect more snow accumulation, maybe a little bit of sleet mixed in, but I'm not expecting a lot of a wintry mix there. And then as we head through the afternoon, as I mentioned, that wind will switch over to the northwest, not only dragging in colder air, but as a result, we will see the precipitation changing over to snow for most, if not all of us. But by that point, most of it's already wrapping up. So I don't expect much accumulation for areas in, let's say, southern Herkimer County over toward Oneida, closer towards Syracuse. It'll mainly be a northern end of our viewing area affair. And then there may be some lake effect snow showers that hang on for Saturday night into Sunday, especially from Utica on over towards Syracuse. In terms of the total accumulation, again, from Utica on south, looks like we could see up to 2 inches of accumulation. But as you head toward the north, this blue area in the North Country, as well as portions of the Adirondacks that I'm talking about, we could see anywhere from 2 to 4 inches, maybe a 5-inch total here and there. But again, that would be the exception and not the rule. As such, we have a winter weather advisory for northern Oneida, northern Herkimer, all of Hamilton, as well as all of Lewis County until 4 p.m. tomorrow afternoon, because of the fact that's where we're expected to see the higher snowfall accumulation. So again, we'll see rain, snow, and wind for tomorrow. 39 will be the high, but that'll be early in the day. As we head through the afternoon, especially after 2 p.m., we'll see temperatures dropping into the 20s, and then we get down to the single digits as we head through Saturday night into Sunday morning. We will see wind on top of that as well, so it'll feel like it's below zero out there. For Sunday, we do have a lot of clouds out there, maybe a few peaks of sunshine here and there. 18 for the high, but again, the wind chills will make it feel like it's around the single digits and lower teens out there, and then dropping below zero for Sunday night into Monday morning. Again, wind chills will make it feel even chillier than that. Monday will actually be warmer with a high of 27, low of 15, partly cloudy skies, so at least there will be some sunshine out there. More clouds return on Tuesday, 42 for the high, and then we may make a run at the lower 50s by the time we head toward Wednesday, with rain likely by that point. And then as temperatures drop on Thursday once again, snow showers may make their way back into the picture with mostly cloudy skies by the time we head toward Friday. But again, you can get the latest weather information anytime at cnyhomepage.com, and you can always download the CNY homepage app to track all the information on this weekend storm as well.
Cold, wet, windy, gross.
Exactly.
Thank you, Jordan. Coming up next on Eyewitness News at 6.